Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to cut through all that noise and bring you the important stuff, the real nuggets of knowledge. And wow, AI developments, it feels like every single week, they're not just making headlines.
No, they're rewriting the whole script.
Exactly, rewriting what's even possible. The pace is just, it's breathtaking. And honestly, it feels kind of impossible to keep up sometimes.
It absolutely is. I mean, we're seeing this just unprecedented acceleration. It's really easy to get lost in the sheer volume of news coming out.
That's precisely why we're here today. We're going to take a deep dive, look at a whole stack of recent updates, some new research, expert insights, really get a handle on the global AI landscape.
Yeah, the mission is to distill the core stuff, right? Find those aha moments.
Right. Give you, our listener, a clear, informed picture of where AI truly stands. Right now, we'll look at everything from the groundbreaking new tools, the fierce global competition.
And the really critical discussions, too. Safety, ethics, sustainability.
Yeah.
Those are huge.
Absolutely huge. We'll explore the innovations reshaping industries, reshaping daily life, really, and delve into those pressing questions we all need to be thinking about as this tech evolves so fast.
So hopefully we can connect some dots for you.
Yeah, get ready for some clarity.
Oh.
Let's jump in. Okay, so our journey into AI today kicks off on, well, a high-octane track. It's this accelerating global race to build the next generation of intelligence. It really feels like a sprint.
But it's a marathon distance, right?
Exactly. It shows incredible competition, but also, interestingly, some surprising moments of collaboration. We're seeing, growing recognition for key figures, people like Fei-Fei at Stanford, HAI, Yejin Choi.
Tareq Amin at HUMAIN, too, all landing on Time's AI 100 list.
Right, but what I found really compelling was this subtle shift, maybe, towards cooperation.
Indeed. I think a key development there was that rare step of cross-evaluation. You had major players, OpenAI and Anthropic, openly testing each other's models.
And publishing the results.
And publishing. That's not just, being friendly. It really signals a push for shared understanding, for shared progress across the industry, which is vital, actually, for the whole ecosystem.
That makes sense.
And we're also seeing Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, MCP, becoming, well, pretty quickly a standard for enterprise AI integration.
MCP. Okay, what's the core idea there?
Think of it like a universal plug-and-play interface. It lets different AI systems talk to each other and integrate with existing business software much more smoothly.
Interoperability.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you've got major companies like OpenAI, MongoDB, Wix already backing it. It points towards a future where AI systems are much more connected.
Okay, so this push for collaboration is interesting, but let's be real. The competition is still incredibly fierce.
Oh, absolutely. Fierce doesn't even cover it.
The landscape is just evolving at warp speed. I mean, ChatGPT was the front runner for a while, but now we're seeing Google's Gemini and Elon Musk's Grok really emerging as strong contenders.
Yeah, that Andreessen Horowitz report noted Grok hitting, 20 million monthly users?
Something like that, yeah. And Gemini's capturing significant AI traffic, too. And you can't overlook the Chinese AI platforms either. They're rising rapidly. It's truly a global, super competitive market now. Innovations coming from everywhere.
Which brings us neatly to the sheer explosion of powerful new models. Just look at Anthropic expanding Claude Sonnet 4.
To 1 million tokens context window. That sounds huge.
It is huge. It's not just a bigger number, it's a game changer. It means the AI can digest and process entire software projects or vast legal archives all in one go.
So it's moving beyond snippet.
Exactly. It's a shift towards truly comprehending and operating on complex, large-scale systems. That opens up entirely new applications. And look at Microsoft, they're not just relying on partners.
Right. They launched MAI-1.
Their own in-house model, yeah. And it's climbing the leaderboards. Plus, MAI Voice 1 for that ultra-fast natural voice generation, both boosting Copilot.
Even Nvidia, known for hardware, right?
Even Nvidia. They've introduced Nematron Nano 9B V2. It's a compact model designed specifically for quick, low-compute deployments. Makes advanced AI more accessible in different forms, different situations.
And feeling all this, this innovation, this competition, there's this intense talent war happening.
Oh, definitely. Companies are literally fighting over the top AI minds.
We saw that fascinating example, didn't we? Chaya Nayak, key Meta AI architect, moves to OpenAI.
Then briefly back to Meta.
And then back to OpenAI again. And others like Avi Verma making similar high-profile jumps.
It just highlights the incredibly high stakes, doesn't it? This global race for generative AI talent. Companies are battling to lock down the engineers, the researchers who are actually building the future.
Which makes you wonder,
Yeah.
what's powering this whole boom? The talent? The models?
And the answer, well, a huge part of it is infrastructure. The demand for AI is driving just unprecedented investment in the underlying hardware.
Like Nvidia's results.
Exactly. Nvidia just posted, what was it, $46.7 billion in quarterly revenue, record numbers, almost entirely driven by AI data center sales and their new Blackwell chips.
Wow.
And CEO Jensen Huang, he's predicting trillions in global AI infrastructure investment by 2030. Companies like CoreWeave are right there in the thick of it.
They have that big acquisition, right?
$9 billion acquisition, yeah. And major contracts with OpenAI. It really solidifies their dominance in that specialized AI computing infrastructure space.
And it's not just the chips in the data centers, is it?
No, not at all. Look at companies like Snowflake. Their stock surged because enterprises are demanding AI-ready data platforms.
So it's about making the data usable for AI.
Precisely. It's not just storage anymore. It's about making data accessible, optimized for AI. It shows the significant investment across the entire digital infrastructure stack. It's truly foundational.
Okay, we've charted this frantic pace of the AI race. But now let's maybe shift focus a bit. From how AI is being built to what incredible things it's actually doing. Moving way beyond simple chat boxes, right?
Absolutely. Into revolutionizing creativity, productivity, discovery. It's pretty amazing.
Let's start with creativity.
Yeah, a key thing here is how generative AI is kind of democratizing high-level creative production. For media, you've got tools like Vibe Voice 1.5B. It can turn text into polished podcast-style audio instantly.
Wow.
And Audio Story generates long-form narrative audio, so complex audio production, fraction of the traditional effort and cost.
And the visual side, just as impressive, I bet.
Totally. ByteDance's USO offers really reliable video editing, seamless changes. DeepMind's Nano Banana, great name by the way, achieves consistent camera perspective shifts.
So keeping a character looking the same from different angles.
Exactly. Super useful for creative video. Tencent open-sourced HunyuanVideo-Foley for adding high-fidelity sound effects automatically. And Google Vids now has AI avatars, tools to animate still images, streamlines video production massively.
For marketers, educators,
Pretty much. And digging deeper into image editing, Google's Gemini 2.5. Big improvements in generation and editing. Their Gemini 2.5 flash image, the Nano Banana one.
Right, heard about that.
It offers rapid, natural-feeling edits with strong identity consistency, meaning it keeps a face or an object consistent across edits, plus distinct watermarks. That's a direct challenge to tools like Photoshop, really.
Makes complex edits accessible.
To non-experts, yeah. And for the pros. Runway's collaboration with Fabula is putting advanced AI filmmaking tools right into the hands of top creatives, pushing the boundaries of cinema.
It's not just for creatives, though. Developers are getting a massive boost, too, right? This idea of agentic empowerment.
Exactly. Meaning AI models are becoming more autonomous. They can plan, execute, even correct their own actions to solve complex problems, not just waiting for step-by-step instructions.
More proactive.
Right. And on the open source side, you've got the OLMoASR team releasing open speech recognition models. Alternatives to things like Whisper, making the tech more broadly accessible.
And that Prime Intellect Environments Hub.
Yeah, that crowdsources open reinforcement learning scenarios, democratizes access to high-quality training environments that used to be locked up in big labs.
So how quickly can we actually integrate this stuff into, like, everyday workflows?
Good question. For coding, things are moving fast. Grok Code v1.0 for real-world testing. Anycoder's Grok Code Fast 1 offers one-shot, low-latency coding right in the browser.
In the browser, wow.
Yeah. Plus, there's this new standard on GitHub, agentess.md. It's basically a blueprint for guiding AI coding agents, how AI can collaborate on software development. Huge efficiency boost potential there.
And for real-time interaction, that OpenAI real-time API.
It's out of beta now, yeah, with improved instruction following. It supports real-time video calls with WebRTC, integrates with traditional phone systems using SIP.
So AI agents that can talk, see, and plug into business phone lines.
Exactly. Production-ready voice agents, with instant remixable demos available too. And the tooling is getting better. Playground has markdown trace graphs for debugging, that time-to-first token metric. Vertex AI shipped a point-and-click Gen AI evaluation UI. It's all becoming more accessible.
That sounds like it's really moving beyond the purely digital realm now. Real-world impact.
Definitely. Solving complex problems. Look at science and discovery. Team Blackbean won that OpenAI Z challenge using AI and remote sensing.
To map hidden structures in the Amazon.
Yeah, 67 of them. Accelerating archaeological discovery, helping protect vulnerable sites. And MIT researchers developed Vaxier.
The flu vaccine predictor.
Right. Outperforms WHO recommendations in 90% of cases. Better public health outcomes. Even bird flu surveillance is being revolutionized by generative AI rapid, affordable detection. Faster interventions.
The healthcare impact sounds enormous.
It is, and growing fast. Fujitsu and Nvidia partnering in Japan for AI diagnostics, patient management. Assort Health raised $50 million for its voice AI to streamline patient communication.
Less waiting on hold, hopefully.
Yeah. That's the idea. And Twin Health secured $53 million for AI-powered digital twins in metabolic care, aiming to cut reliance on diabetes meds through personalized insights.
Okay, what about enterprise? Businesses?
Huge impact there, too. SerpApi is becoming a key piece, powering live search in major AI products, the bridge to real-time info. CMEX use Llama Index Assistants to significantly improve their supply chain and customer engagement.
Practical results.
Very practical. Stripe's showcasing AI-driven in-product support, offering instant help. Google's made Gemini available on-premise via distributed cloud for big companies. And get this, a global survey found 93% of tech orgs are building or planning custom AI agents for customer service.
93%. That's almost everyone.
Pretty much indicates the direction of travel.
And just for everyday communication.
Getting incredibly sophisticated. Command to Translate is praised as best-in-class machine translation. Google Translate has real-time AI conversations, language learning for over 70 languages powered by Gemini, live practice modes.
And WhatsApp.
Launched Writing Help, an AI messaging assistant giving personalized tone suggestions, rewrites, proofreading, all with strong privacy safeguards they emphasize.
Okay, one more. Robotics.
Yeah, this is cool. A new AI model lets robots learn complex tasks, hammering, scooping, just by watching YouTube videos.
Seriously, watching YouTube.
Seriously, cuts training time from weeks down to hours. It's a potential game changer for autonomous robot learning, adapting to new tasks and environments.
Okay, so we've got all this incredible innovation, this rapid deployment, but we absolutely have to talk about the other side, the essential conversations around safety, ethics, sustainability.
Absolutely crucial. As AI gets more powerful, more pervasive, the potential perils, they become much more evident, don't they?
They really do. And a critical concern right now is protecting vulnerable users, especially kids.
Yeah, you've got 44 U.S. state attorneys general issuing this strong warning to Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Meta, basically telling them to prioritize child safety in AI chatbots.
Even threatening legal action.
Right, and this follows those really high-profile, tragic lawsuits against OpenAI. Parents alleging ChatGPT contributed to their teen son's suicide, providing dangerous info, fostering dependency.
It's incredibly serious. Highlights the real-world responsibilities these developers have.
It does, and OpenAI has responded right. Enhanced parental controls, emergency contact features, stricter guidelines globally for sensitive topics. It just underscores that urgent need for robust safeguards, for oversight as these tools go mainstream.
Which leads straight into privacy and cybersecurity concerns.
Huge area. OpenAI actually disabled ChatGPT chat sharing from Google search results. That was due to privacy concerns, user backlash, a significant move showing users want control over their data.
And WhatsApp's writing help.
They're really emphasizing the privacy angle, confidential on-device processing, end-to-end encryption, but we've also seen some alarming incidents.
Like that NPM supply chain attack.
Exactly. Attackers used a Claude code prompt during installation to steal secrets. It's an inventive but really worrying twist on malware, using the AI itself as part of the attack.
That's chilling. Shows these new attack vectors AI is opening up.
And it's not isolated. Anthropic's AI, Claude, was also exploited by cybercriminals to automate sophisticated ransomware extortion campaigns across 17 sectors.
So advanced AI is lowering the barrier for cybercrime.
That's the fear, making it accessible to more bad actors. And there's even a lawsuit challenging OpenAI's whole approach to monitoring user prompts. It raises tough questions about balancing privacy against the responsibility to report suspected criminal intent. Where do you draw that line?
It's getting very blurry.
Very blurry. And connecting this to the even bigger picture, You can't ignore the environmental footprint.
Right, the energy and water use.
This AI boom demands enormous amounts of electricity and water. Google actually revealed the environmental impact of Gemini, detailing consumption per text prompt.
That's good transparency, at least.
It is. But while efficiency is improving, the overall demand for AI is rising so fast that total emissions are still surging. It really spotlights the urgent need for greener AI solutions worldwide.
It's not all bad news on the environment front, though, is it? I saw something about AI helping efficiency.
That's the interesting flip side. AI is also driving energy efficiency, particularly in buildings. Studies show potential reductions up to 19% by 2050.
Wow.
And companies like Honeywell, Brainbox AI are already using it to help organizations cut energy costs and carbon emissions. So yes, AI can be part of the solution as well as part of the problem.
That's encouraging. And what about efforts towards responsible development overall?
There are ongoing efforts, definitely. Anthropic has a new safety research program. OpenAI is testing collective alignment using public input. There's a CSCW 2025 workshop focused specifically on responsible data curation.
So proactive steps.
Vital proactive steps towards building AI ethically with foresight, hopefully.
And we're seeing societal shifts, too. Turnitin upgrading its tools.
To detect those advanced AI writing evasion techniques, including the humanizer tools, trying to uphold academic integrity.
And that Stanford study.
Yeah.
Linking generative AI to a drop in entry-level programming jobs in the U.S.
Yeah, that's a significant economic shift to watch. But conversely, we're seeing the rise of the AI generalists.
What now?
AI generalists. Professionals who are good at both the AI tech and the human skills, communication, critical thinking, etc. That combination is becoming a new must-have job skill for businesses. It's reshaping the workforce, demanding adaptability.
So less coding, more prompting and managing the AI.
Kind of. And it ties into this broader discussion about shifting away from just static chat boxes towards generative interfaces.
Interfaces that change themselves.
Dynamically tailoring themselves to the user's specific task.
Yeah.
And also this idea of transforming knowledge, transforming existing software tools into LLM-first formats. Meaning designing them from the ground up so that large language models can easily understand and use them. It makes AI integration much smoother, much more powerful. These are fundamental changes in how we'll build and interact with AI going forward.
Wow. Okay. We have covered an incredible amount of ground today. I mean, from that intense global race to build the next generation AI.
Yeah, the new models, the talent wars, the infrastructure.
Yeah. And then the proliferation of these astonishing new tools, revolutionizing everything from creativity and productivity to healthcare and discovery.
But also hitting those critical challenges hard: safety, privacy, the environmental impact.
Exactly. This deep dive, I think, it reveals not just incredibly rapid innovation, but also maybe a maturing global market, and certainly an urgent call for responsible development, for strong ethical guidelines.
Yeah, what's really clear is that AI isn't some futuristic concept anymore. It's here. It's a powerful, present force that's shaping our world right now.
Absolutely. And as AI becomes more integrated into everything, personalized learning, critical infrastructure, you name it, it really raises a fundamental question for all of us, doesn't it?
It really does.
How do we, all of us, ensure that this immense power, the power of artificial intelligence, is truly used in service of humanity? And maybe more personally, what active role can you, the listener, play in guiding its path, guiding it towards a future that's both innovative and deeply human-centric?
That's the big question to ponder.
Definitely something to think about. Thanks for diving deep with us today.